So Florida gaming is here. And all I can say is about time. So the Seminole Tribe released their app this past week. It was released quietly, barely even knew about it. I follow a radio station on Facebook and they mentioned it. I was like, what the heck? But I've been waiting for this. It's long overdue. Makes it very simple to bet on games. So I downloaded the app immediately. And they do actually have a promotion that I think is going to end soon. But basically, you can deposit up to $100. If you bet that $100 and you lose, they would actually credit that $100 back into your account. But if you win, then you win whatever the bet was. Kind of a you can't lose situation. So definitely take advantage of that. I actually only bet $50. And I'm pissed at myself for not betting 100 because I ended up winning. I won $50 when I could have won $100. So I'm mad at myself for that. So definitely bet the $100 because you got nothing to lose at that point. But the app, very clean, very user friendly. You can set it up a couple minutes and you can deposit money. You can use PayPal, Venmo, your bank transfer. Really, there's tons of ways to put money in, so that won't be a problem. And it's available immediately. So as soon as you deposit, I use PayPal, right? And it was available immediately. I placed the bet. I am currently 2 for 1. So I went against my gut and I made a bet last night that I shouldn't have made. I checked out the App Store just to look at some reviews because, like I said, it's a new app. So I was looking at some reviews. This review definitely takes the cake. It's hilarious. Whoever the developer was that responded, like, props to you because that was a hilarious response. People, I don't know if the person that wrote that was just like trolling or what, or they were serious. Maybe they were serious. I don't know. They almost seemed like they were serious, but that was a hilarious response. So I checked out the website for the SportsBook Hard Rock, and looks like they are doing a lot of hiring. I think that was part of the reason why there wasn't like basically any marketing for this thing. I found it out from a radio station's Facebook page, so it was so random. So they are doing a lot of hiring, and I'm sure they'll do very well. People like gambling. This makes it very easy. You don't have to go to Vegas. It's already legal in other states. It finally came to Florida, so have fun, but obviously be responsible. Don't bet your life savings, okay? Because you don't want to lose that. Whatever you bet, you can lose. Just always bet where you're comfortable losing. So be responsible. That's one thing. But have fun with it. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be exciting. So good luck to all you people out there.